Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Animash and I am back with another double unboxing. Right, so this time around we've got an Orient and we've got a Sinn. So what are these, what do we have tonight then? Right, so before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my Seiko 5 SNK381, a very cool military piece. So I've done an unboxing video last week I think, and please check out that particular video. Right, so this one is, I've put it on this handmade leather strap from a buddy of mine, Mr. Rizal Baba, or Ejal Baba Horology Maniac. So I will leave a link to his Instagram account. So yeah, that is definitely a simple piece, a single pass leather strap, which for me looks really nice with this military look of this particular piece. Right, so let's get back into the unboxing. Right, so if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So technically I always review watches that is under 250 bucks. That is this one in this Orient, but Sinn, yes, Sinn is not $250 Sinn, but yeah, it is of course a much more expensive than that. But yeah, sometimes I see this piece and you know what, I have to review it for you guys to, you know, just know a little bit about the brand and what and the technical things that makes Sinn a Sinn. And yeah, I think it's totally worth it. Right, so let's get into the first box, which is this Orient. Right, so this is your typical Orient box, so with this white outer box, and let's see what's inside the box. Well, okay, so yes, we've got this beautiful shiny looking Orient box, and let's see, 1 2 3, boom. Right, so yes, we've got ourselves the Orient Ray 2 in orange dial. So if you guys are familiar to my channel, you will know that I myself have an Orient Ray 2 in blue, but this one is basically both of these watches are lent in by Mr. WK at chrono.path on Instagram. So I've loaned him my Orient Ray 2 blue, and after getting a feel of that particular watch, he himself got this Orient Ray 2 in orange color, which I must say looks very beautiful. I've never thought that I would like an orange dial watch, but this one, you know what, it's absolutely awesome looking. Right, so what's inside the box? It's quite simple. So you have this bracelet that is using this what do you call this, hollow end link. So nothing extra, nothing special here. I think that's his right, so anyway, so let's put it inside the box and get it out of the way. Right, so let's just put this one out so that we can see what is available on this second box, which is the Sinn. But which Sinn is it? Right, oh, okay, the pillow. Right, so this is your usual typical Sinn black box featuring this, I think this is a cardboard. So let's take out the outer sleeve, and we are greeted with a leather. I think this is a real leather box, you know, for something that is costing about 1,500 or $1,500 or ringgit Malaysia, 6,000 ringgit. So you'll definitely need a real leather box. So yes, that is what gives it away. This is the 556i. Right, so this is the, what is this, special Sinn special Orient on Frankfurt, from Frankfurt. So this is the warranty card, 14th of April 2020. He bought this second hand, but it looks very new. So we have a, what is this? So this is how I think that is Helmut Sinn, no, oh, Lothar Schmidt, it's his current owner, I think, or current CEO. And we have a very, oh my god, that is really nice. I've never seen this one before, a mother of pearl dial. Wow, man, that looks awesome. This blue dial, I know about this blue dial, but I've never known about this mother of pearl dial. That is absolutely cool, man. Oh, I used to have this Sinn 556A, so I've sold it because I need the money to, you know, to buy and to buy more watches for the channel. But yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, man, it's really it's like meeting my old girlfriend. So yeah, it's, I don't know, I might have to buy this thing from him. I don't know, please don't let me do that. All right, so this is how you do it if you want to use the strap and everything. This is how you're gonna size it, and this is how, oh, they also tell you how to size the rubber bracelet that I think this one doesn't have. This is the lume of the Sinn 556A, 556I, and the 556 without date display, and that is the time grapher thing, right? So okay, so what is this? Oh, so that was in English, and I think this one is in Deutsch. It's in Deutsch or Deutschland, I don't know how to say it, sorry, in Germany, right? So let's see what's inside this box. This is the Sinn Special Uhren. Boom, yeah. All right, so basically I've already take this watch and I've put it on my own strap, but let's see what are the straps that it came with. Right, so it came with two straps actually. It came with the original bracelet, which is this H-link bracelet. That is very nice. So I don't know, I just love this bracelet. So we'll talk about the bracelet in the full review soon. But yeah, I love this bracelet. But they are a bit, this class is a bit, you know, it's a bit, it doesn't look really that expensive in my opinion, and there is a bit of quirk about it. I don't know, there's a little thing that I don't really like, a few things that I don't really like, but overall I just love this solid link bracelet. Right, so what else do we have? So we have also the leather bracelet or leather strap that it came with. So this one, when I bought my own Sinn 556A, I bought it on this leather strap, and you know what, this is cool. Very nice, soft and supple leather. So every Sinn that comes that you will buy, you will get this spring bar tool with this flat end tip here, and the other one is the pointed hands here. So yeah, very nice. Okay, so let's get these things out of the way and check out the watch itself. Okay, so the main difference between the Sinn 556A and the 556I that I have here is the, right, so let's give it a quick wipe, is the indices, right? So this indices is featuring a, oh my god, featuring a stick indices. So you can see those rectangular hour indices here from 12, 1, 2, 3, even the whole dial. The whole dial is basically in rectangular shape, and it is all printed. And you can see that the dial on this particular one is glossy or piano black, and the one that I had was the Sinn 556A is a matte black dial, and this one looks much more classier than the 556A. And the date wheel on the 556A was at the 430, it's what here, but the one on this I version is on the 3 o'clock, which looks very nice. It looks much more symmetry to the dial, and those hands, I just love those hands, right? So this shorter hand, the hour hands and the minute hands is very nice, and that second hand is fully painted in white, but I don't think there is a lume in there, right? So right out of the box you saw me wiping out the crystal, because this crystal has both anti-reflective coating on both inside and outside. So what happened is, when you have an entire AR coating on the top side, so it will leave leave tons of fingerprints on the crystal, and that makes it, you know what, quite difficult. But check out that legibility. The double AR coating does give you a ton of legibility to the dial, and yeah, check out, there's almost no glare at all, right? So very nice. Oh, the size is 38.5 millimeters, the lug to lug, I can't really remember, but yeah, I will do that. I will mention it inside in the full review. And you can see we have this S for Sinn, and at the back we have that beautiful SW200 Swiss made movement, right? So there you have it, guys. Two of this super cool watch that is on loan to me from my buddy Mr. WK. You know what, please give me a comment down below if you want to ask anything about both of these two watches. Please just comment down below. And if you guys like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.